The Guinness Partnership was formed in 1890 with the mission to improve people's lives and create possibilities. And today that hasn't changed. What has changed is the landscape that both the Guinness Partnership and other social housing organisations operates to in the UK.
Housing associations face a number of challenges. Of course, we're part of making sure that we provide homes for everybody in the UK who is in need of a home. The big challenge that the Guinness Partnership is looking to solve with Microsoft Dynamics and with TTEC Digital, of course, is to make sure that we have a real holistic understanding of the customer. Because if we really understand the customer, we understand all of the times that we serve them, all of the touch points we have with the customer, we can tailor our services in a much more precise way to deliver to them. And that's what we wanted to get out of the CRM system and our partnership with TTEC Digital.
As TTEC Digital, we understand that TGP already had a CRM solution. So one of the key things that we did was look at the existing documentation and what they have. That's one. The second we said was, look, now that we know what you've already got, let's do a discovery session to clearly identify what are the requirements you need. That's very important. For any transformation program, this is key. And the third is, of course, for some complex requirements, try and build a proof of concept, because that gives the customer an idea of what this solution is going to look like. And that helps us enhance and improve the requirements. And last but not the least, communications across the channel. When you're building it, having these show and tell sessions, which is equally important because that tells the stakeholders what's been built, how it's been built. All in all, these 4 tenets are key for a good solution, and that's what we did.
We've really improved our productivity within the customer services team here as a result of the implementation of CRM with TTEC Digital. It means that our staff have just got one application to use. Training's much simpler. The way they do the transactions is always consistent across each of the different journeys. We've managed also to cross-train our teams across many different journeys, which has led to increased productivity. And also it means that our teams can move from one journey to the next seamlessly. So it's better for our customers and it's better for our staff.
The work that we've done with TTEC Digital has really enhanced our service delivery by ensuring that we've got the right information available to our people at the right point in the process.
We identified 2 primary areas for the phase 1 solution. One was lettings and change of circumstances, and the other one was bulk communication. So the bulk communication was done first and lettings and change of circumstances followed. But what we also did was combined a technical debt element of this, because TGP already had a CRM solution and we wanted to change certain things to improve the customer experience. So that was clubbed along, and these 3 were fundamentally what we built for them as part of the solution.
In terms of operational improvements, if we start with the end-to-end tenancy management, ultimately we've got over 3,000 cases now going through our end-to-end tenancy management experience, and the time taken for those cases to go through that end-to-end process has significantly reduced. So that gives us real operational benefit, and it's a much better experience for both our people and also for our residents. In terms of bulk communications, what it's really done is it's simplified the way in which we communicate. That means that we're communicating much more frequently and to a higher standard with our residents. And again, the feedback from our residents around the communications that we're issuing in the preference that they've given in terms of the channel that we communicate has been extremely positive.
At TGP, our objective is to provide a great service to our residents. They're at the heart of our business. And so having a system like the CRM system we've delivered with TTEC Digital means that we can underpin that delivery with a system where we really understand the residents and we really can truly serve all of their needs.